Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about JADX tool. So basically what is JADX? JADX is a DEX to Java compiler code is a tool. So you can see here this package contain a DEX to Java decompiler. So we can decompile our APK as a DEX to Java. So it contain a command line and GUI tool for produce Java source code from Android X to APK. So it's a command line tool and GUI both available. So I will show you how to install this and how we can use this tool. So what is the feature of this tool? So it's a decompiler basically. It's a decompiler. It decompiles the Dalvik bytecode to Java classes from APK. So just we need to import the APK file in that tool and it will decompile the Dalvik bytecode to Java classes. Then we can read that code. So also dex aar and zip file decode android manifest xml file. So these all things, like everything I'll show you in the demo. So here JADX GUI feature. What is the GUI feature? Same as we have view decompiled code. Here we can see the all decompiled code. Okay, so let's see how we can install it. And here is the command for Kali Linux, sudo apt-get install JADX. So I already installed. Just you have to give you have to install it like that. Sudo apt get install JADX. Okay, so I already installed. I will not install now, but this is how you can install the JADX tool. So after that, how to use this tool. But before that, let's see, this is how we install in the Kali Linux. But for the Windows, you can install as a exe file. Just search here JADX GUI download for Windows. Okay, so you can find the exe file for Windows and you can install in the Windows operating system. So next, let's see how we can open this and how we can use this tool for decompiling. So we will run this tool JADX GUI, hit enter. So we have to wait for few seconds. Yeah, now here this is the graphical interface of the JADX tool. So there are two options, open file and open project. If we already saved the project, then we can open from here. But if we have a fresh APK, then just we need to click on open file. Click here. Now here you can see we have a Diva application APK, WhatsApp APK, Uber APK signer. So here we will open the Diva application APK. Click here. Now we have to wait for few seconds to decompile this application. It is decompiling. So it is taking time, but till that we will check these files. So basically here we have a Diva application APK file, and inside this there is a source code. Inside the source code there will be multiple directories, but here we are getting the Jakar Asim Diva. So what is Jakar Asim Diva? This is the package name of the application. Okay, so I already show you how we can find the package name in the Android, like an emulator or the physical device. Like by using the Frida, we can use Frida-ps space -uai to get the application and their package name. So you can get from there also to, like, just to confirm whether it is correct or not. But here this is the Jakar Asima Diva. This is the package name of the application. Now here you have to check, there are multiple vulnerabilities we can check in this tool, but first of all there is a one direct we are getting the Jakar Asim Diva, but in some application you may get something com folder and inside the com folder package name. Okay, so first of all here you may get something like a source code, then inside the source code there is a com folder, then there is a Jakar Asim Diva, like source code. Inside the source code there is a com folder. Inside the com you have to find the correct package name like a Jakhar. This is the particular or specific package name of the div application. Okay, so now here what vulnerability we can check, just click here, and these are the classes of this application. Okay, so these are the classes of the application. So if these are classes are readable, then this is a vulnerable. Okay, so this is the vulnerability, lack of binary protection. Okay, so lack of binary protection is here because these classes are not obfuscated. Okay, obfuscated means if it's obfuscated, then only we get here as like here is a r means like this is not a readable. So we can't assume what is this directory. Okay, not a directory, what is this class, so we can't read this so same as if all the directories are a b c d or something, then it's not a readable, then it's a proper obfuscated. But here we can read this and we can understand this is a access control activity, and here we are able to read all the code of this class. So access control 2 activity, API credential activity, so these all the code we are able to read. Okay, so this is a lack of binary protection vulnerability. That's it guys. In the next video we will see some other vulnerabilities in this same tool as a JADX.